Hi there, my name is Jessica with Genuine Leads, and I want to thank you again for allowing me to send over this quick video. And today I just want to go over a couple of tips on how to help your company appear at the top of more Google search results for free. And you can most certainly take this information and use it on your own, or you can just simply give me a call. So the first thing I'm going to go over is command content. So anywhere on your homepage where you have any types of words, Google would like to see at least 1,500 words of command content throughout your homepage. And the reason for that is Google crawls websites 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and doing so, they want to know what services you offer and what areas you serve, okay? So right now you have 1,027 words of command content, so you would definitely have to get that up to the 1,500 mark. Okay, get some more content or writing throughout your first page, okay? And all your other pages right here, you're going to want at least 500 words on there as well. So having your site built this way shows Google that you're an expert in the industry, and in turn, your site will pop up more often in Google searches, okay? So moving on. So you're going to see 3 companies here pop up. And you're going to want to pop up in as many of those top 3s as possible. So that's for all the counties you service, all the cities you service. You're going to want to pop up in all those as well, okay? And the reason for that is because when people are looking for a specific contractor like yourself, they type in specific keywords, and they usually call someone within the top 3 of the Google Map Pack. Now, the way these companies get into the top 3 is they have the most keywords in their website, and they also have the most citations, okay? And a citation is anytime your business name, phone number, and address is listed into another website. Google will issue you 1 citation for that. And a keyword is anytime that a potential customer would type into Google in order to find your services, okay? So let's go ahead over to your website and see how your website is ranking. Excuse me. So this is your trust factor with Google, and they usually rate this from 0 to 100, and 100 is going to be the very best you can get. This is your power rating. This is how Google sees your website, like how powerful your website is to Google, and they also rate this 0 out of 100. You have 111 backlinks. 161 organic keywords, and you have about 449 people on your website per month, okay? So the amount of traffic you have is going to go directly to correlate with the amount of keywords you have, okay, and backlinks. So it's important to get both of those up, your backlinks and your keywords, okay? So what I do when I bring on a new client, we go through all your competitor and we go through all their backlinks, and we see what backlinks they're pushing the very most traffic to your competition. And then we go through all keywords and make sure you're ranking for the very most top used ones in your industry. And then we go ahead and find backlinks that are on none of your competitors, and we go ahead and put those in your website as well. So what that does, it brings your traffic your domain ranking up above any of your competitors, and that's when you're going to dominate your market, okay? You're going to have more traffic going to your website, and you're going to be the one who's popping up in most of those Google searches for those keywords, okay? So I know it sounds like a lot, but if you just take these simple steps, you'll absolutely benefit from the results, okay? So, I would definitely need to get your command content up and get your keywords up just a little bit more. Okay, so the more keywords you have, the more you're going to rank for those keywords to bring in more traffic. And your backlinks help bring up your power rating also, okay? Just remember one thing though on backlinks, it's not how many backlinks you have, it's the quality and quantity of backlinks you have, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, but please do me a favor, give me some feedback on this. The more feedback, the better. Even if you're not interested, that's totally fine, but if you do have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. I'll link my information in the description below. Once again, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this custom video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.